Right, did that work? Excellent. Okay, one last thing is, if I was to run this, and here we go, what's your name? Let's try, it's Mr. P. And I press enter. Hello, it's Mr. P. Okay, that isn't great. I would like it somehow to understand that it's just the part of my name I was looking for, and there could be other bits around there. So, to do that, we're going to use the in command. Now, first things first is it doesn't matter which way around an equals is, because we're saying is one equal to the other, but in this case, I'm afraid it does. So I'm going to take the name upper, and I'm going to cut it, and paste. I'm actually going to swap them round. There we go. So that shouldn't have any difference with an equals. One side is still equals to the other. But now, I'm going to change it a little, is I'm going to go in. Now, what we're saying here is we're saying if the letters Mr. P are in uppercase of the name, i.e. what we typed in, then do it. So in is looking for letters in another set of letters. We'll test that quickly. We'll just use Mr. P for now. So, hello, what is your name? It's Mr. P. And this is almost great. Hello, it's great to see you again. It's Mr. P. So that's slightly iffy. We're almost there. Just one last thing I need to change. So, now remember that after the brackets, anything that's indented, it doesn't just have to be one line, will be run. So, if that is true, what I'm then going to do is I'm going to go name is, and this is a single equals because it's an instruction to make it equal, not a question, and in speech marks Mr. P. So what I'm doing there is I'm changing, if for example I type it's Mr. P, it will then change name from it's Mr. P just to become Mr. P, and then print it. And I would do the same underneath for the Mr. C as well. That won't work for the else, but we can't have everything. Okay, so we're going to try that now. I'm going to try. So it's Mr. P. Hello, it's great to see you again, Mr. P. And now it's going to ask the questions. Right, so you can change them around so that the speech marks are on the left. Change the double equals to an in, and don't forget with these two, we'd need to do it for this one as well. Because it would be name is equal to Mr. C. There you go. As well. And I just need to quickly go elif. Elif Mr. C is in. I'll go to that bit there. There we go. So that's the last thing you'll need to do for these two. But down here, where we're asking the questions, then yes, you can change it around and you can put the in on here. You just don't need to have to rename a question to anything. Okay. Right, that's a nice extension task. And give that a try. Away you go.